Hey there, goal setters! Welcome to another exciting journey towards mastering your goals. Ever feel like your dreams are just out of reach, like no matter how hard you try, they seem to slip further away? Stick around, because today I'm going to break down how to make a solid plan to achieve your dreams step by step. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to success. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more valuable content. Let's get started. Ready to transform your dreams into reality? Let's go. First off, you've got to be crystal clear about what you want. Clarity is the foundation of any successful plan. Vague goals lead to vague results. The more specific you are, the better. So instead of saying, I want to get fit, say I want to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. See the difference? Specificity gives you a clear target to aim for. The clearer your goal, the easier it is to plan for it. When you know exactly what you want, you can map out the steps to get there. Next, break your big goal into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less daunting and more achievable. Think of it like a roadmap. Each small step is a milestone that brings you closer to your ultimate goal. If your dream is to write a book, start with writing 1 page a day. Consistency is key. Small steps add up and keep you from feeling overwhelmed. Each step forward is progress, no matter how small. Then set deadlines for each step. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you stay on track. Deadlines create urgency and help you stay on track. They act as a motivator to keep pushing forward. Without them, it's easy to let things slide. Procrastination can be a dream killer. So if your goal is to learn a new language, maybe aim to complete a chapter of your textbook each week. Consistent progress is better than sporadic effort. Now, let's talk about staying motivated. Motivation is the fuel that keeps you going. Visual reminders can be super powerful. They keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. Create a vision board with images and quotes that inspire you. Fill it with things that resonate with your dreams and aspirations. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day. This constant visual cue can be a game changer in maintaining your focus and drive. That constant reminder can be a game changer. Accountability is also key. Sharing your goals can make a huge difference. Share your goals with a friend or join a group of like-minded people. Having someone to share your journey with can provide support and encouragement. They can offer support, encouragement, and keep you accountable. Knowing someone else is rooting for you can be incredibly motivating. Plus, celebrating milestones together makes the journey even more rewarding. Every achievement, no matter how small, deserves recognition. And finally, be flexible. Flexibility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances. Sometimes life throws curveballs, and that's okay. It's important to be adaptable and resilient. If you stumble or face setbacks, don't beat yourself up. Everyone faces challenges. It's how you respond that matters. Adjust your plan and keep moving forward. Flexibility in your approach can make all the difference. Progress is progress, no matter how small. Every step forward is a step closer to your goal. Remember, the journey to achieving your dreams is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are your best allies. Stay committed, stay focused, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this. Your dreams are within reach if you keep pushing forward. All right, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Your engagement helps us grow and reach more people. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving your dreams. We have a lot more in store for you. Until next time, keep chasing those goals. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your dreams.